This short video is about getting trained and certified and becoming experienced as a home inspector. And we'll be taking a look at the resources at step number 2 at nachi.org/everything. Here are the resources you need to get trained so that you have the knowledge, experience, and confidence to compete with the best inspectors. We're going to go over a few things on this page about the exam, the free training that we have, a step-by-step training process, and that's in the masterclass. Become a certified home inspector and attain that CPI designation. We have an Introduction to Home Inspections course, and we're going to give you some help with your certification and licensing in your area. So let's go over a few things. The exam. Why would you take the exam? Because the exam shows you where you're strong and where you're weak. The exam can be taken over and over again. So let's say you're weak in electrical inspections. Well, the exam platform will give you recommendations so you can strengthen that weakness. Our main education page has a ton of resources for you. So if you want to learn about HVAC, you simply search for HVAC courses and they all pop up, and that's on our education page. We have a recommended step-by-step training process so you can get the confidence and experience. You want to have experience before you do your first inspection job, right? And that's in InterNACHI's masterclass for home inspectors. So let's take a look at that. The first thing you should know is that you're not alone. InterNACHI has partner schools, instructors, and mentors throughout the world. So we recommend finding a certified professional inspector using this link, inspectorseek.com. Maybe find one outside your area so that other inspector can be your trainer and they don't feel like they're training a potential competitor. You can find a chapter of inspectors, you can find a certified mentor, and if you are an experienced veteran inspector, maybe you are interested in becoming one of our mentors. You can find a certified master inspector, they're the best of the best, and you can join the inspection community online with our forum. Now, practice makes perfect. Practice, practice, practice. Inspect your own house without a client, all by yourself, so that there isn't any risk. So you can make mistakes during your inspection and even writing an inspection report that isn't your best. Inspect your house at least 10 times. Then inspect your friend's house, your neighbor's house, your family member's house. Offer a free inspection to a real estate agent that you just met. And if you don't have any software, that's okay. You can use InterNACHI's free online checklist. Practice performing inspections, gain that knowledge and experience. And then tell all your neighbors and inspect your neighbor's home. Why? There is a huge return on that investment. You get a ton back from giving. So you go to your neighbors. Everyone in your neighborhood should know that you're the local home inspector and inspect their homes. And in return, you're going to get a lot. And this video here will explain why. And then you want to compare your inspection reports with those written by master inspectors, and we have a link there so you can check out sample home inspection reports written by others. And then learn as much as you can about conducting home inspections before hanging out or riding along with another inspector. Get knowledgeable and get trained by taking InterNACHI's free online Introduction to Home Inspections course. And there's a link there. And the goal to this course is to teach you how to perform an inspection according to the standards of practice. You're going to learn how a home works. And it's going to teach you how to find defects and how to correct those defects and how to maintain a home and how to save home energy. And that's the Introduction to Home Inspections course. We have a link here to become a certified home inspector through InterNACHI and attain that CPI designation, and then you use that logo in your marketing and on your website. And we also have a link here for your local area, just in case you need a license or certification from a regulatory body. And all these resources are in step 2 at nachi.org/everything. Now, go get trained, experienced, and certified.